would like to welcome all of you to stay tuned and stay joined here because now this session is not about makeup, it's not about your hair, it's not about your skin. It's about your skin's health. It's about keeping your skin naturally beautiful and healthy and always keep it hydrated. So there are a lot of other things which we must know. So there is a new name which we got to know, which is known as skin philosophy. Yes, skin has also a lot of things to say, and we must understand a lot of things about our skin. So that's why we have with us the next specialist who is going to show you some amazing ways and techniques. And she is none other than Annalouise Kenny, and she is none other than here all the way from London. So may I have a big round of applause for Annalouise. May I have? Itna sa? Let me tell you, you are going to love this session. The reason behind of this session is, as first of all, she is from the London School of Aesthetics. And here,
Where's
she's
the
going
other
to
one
show
gone?
you some unique styles and unique specimens for skin.
Should be in there.
First one is demo of advanced facial.
There it is.
She's going to show you the demo of advanced facial. The second one is she's going to show you LED. The next one is muscles lifting. Yes, it will enhance your skin quality. So muscles lifting she will show, and she will show you the skin needle techniques. And these are all the techniques all the way from London. And here in India, she is placed in
You okay?
Delhi. So it's a very, very warm welcome from all
Yeah.
our side to Annalouise. So let's give a big round of applause to her and let's welcome her for the skin philosophy. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you. Thank you for that. So today what I want to do is today is to bring you more advanced techniques to use in your salon for doing facials. So I'm going to be doing LED, so it's light stimulating, so it stimulates collagen. We're going to do skin needling and we're going to do muscle lift on this client. So I'm going to explain everything to you and how to do each step, and then you'll be able to understand how you can do these treatments in your salon. Anybody understand me? Like a little bit? Yay! Yeah. Okay, so first of all, we're going to start off with just taking off the makeup. So when you're doing cleansing off the makeup, it's really important that you remove all of the makeup when you're doing electric treatments. Otherwise, you're going to have like adverse reactions. So we're going to take off all the makeup off her. Also, as well as if you use a creamy cleanser, so I'm using a milk cleanser, this is much better for removing makeup. So I'm going to leave your lipstick because it's too nice. So I'm using these cleansing sponges. These are much easier to take off makeup with. So it requires just one wipe over and it's removing all the makeup with it. So this leaves your skin much cleaner. Okay, so first of all, what we're going to do is when you want to do a facial, when you want to do advanced facial, you have to lay out like which treatment will I do first. So always at the end is your LED. So this is towards your mask, you put this on. We're going to do muscle stimulation first to lift and tighten her skin. So does anyone know lifting with this? This is to like stimulate muscles to lift and tighten to make them look younger. Now our model is nice and young, your skin is good, but if you do an older skin, it lifts up and tightens up. So we're using hyaluronic acid to help conduct the current. So electricity, this is electrical current that comes out of here. So we're going to place this on. And then we're going to turn up, and we're going to turn up max. We'll give you a good lift. So when we place it on, this current, electricity, goes to the muscle to exercise. Like, you know, when you're working out, you need this for your face too. because as we get older, the muscles fall. How's it feeling? Is it okay? Can you feel it there? Yeah. So it's like a mild tingling on the muscles and you feel it twitch. So you can incorporate this into your brightening facial, your hydrating facial. You can incorporate to any facial. All of these extra treatments you can combine into any treatment. So we're going to give you huge cheekbones. And if you want, if you get puffy around the face, you can drain the fluid towards the ears to lift and tighten. You okay? And also as well, if you want to lift the eyes, you place it here and you put it over the eyebrow, and this lifts and tightens on the eyebrows. So see already, you can see it started to lift around the eyes. And we're going to do the same on the other side. You're going to be 10 years younger. So in London, muscle stimulation is huge right now. They do, like, in all treatments, you're adding this in London. It's very, very big, very popular. It's amazing results and it's instant results. So if your client is going out, like they're having an evening out, it's great to do just before they go out, or getting married, instant results, no redness. Can you feel it more there? Yeah. You'll always feel it more twitch around the eyes. And we want to make sure your mouth is even. So I'm going to do a little bit more on this side. So after this now, we're going to do skin needling. Has anyone heard of skin needling or micro rolling? Okay, so this is a rolling device that goes along the skin to like push product into the skin. And also at the same time, you stimulate collagen. So because we're worried about pigmentation, we need to use a vitamin C. Vitamin C is really, really good for removing pigmentation. So I'm going to put a vitamin C serum. Okay, and this is the skin needling roller. So it's tiny little pin pricks that you can roll along the skin. So what we're going to do is we're going to gently roll up and down. And as you roll, because it's piercing into the skin, it's allowing the product to go deeper into the skin. Also at the same time, your skin goes, oh, my skin is cut. So now it also stimulates collagen. This is something you can do in your facial, but also it's something you can retail to your clients to use at home. So you can see if you look this side and this side, all the product has evaporated into her skin. And we'll do, to help with lines, when you get lines around the eyes, we'll do that around here. So we're going to do the forehead. And you only want a little bit of redness, little, not too much, not too traumatic. Does it feel okay? And if your eyebrow hair, if you've problems with eyebrow hair growing, you can do it on the eyebrow And this helps hair grow in that area. So we're going to do this side too. Also, if you've acne and you get scarring, like bumps in your skin, this is really good for plumping the scarring, really good for helping with scarring from acne. And look, see the way it's all gone in. It's just evaporated into her skin. So you can use something like this or a pen. The pen or the roller is good. This one's good because it doesn't leave the skin too red. There's not much side effects. So after this, we want to make sure that we're healing the skin after stimulation with roller. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do the LED mask. So does anyone know what LED is? Okay, I'll show you. This is red light. Red light is very good for anti-aging and skin healing. Okay, this is like huge in the UK right now. So you put this on. This also heats around the eye area and warms around the eye area to remove dark circles. So it does two things with this. You also have blue light with this one. Blue light is good for bacteria. So we put this on. Now, during the treatment, you can put this on while the mask goes on. So you paint on the mask and then you put this over and it helps with skin healing. The mask penetrates better and it's very relaxing. It's nice, isn't it? She's going to be asleep. Many people fall asleep with this. So LED is like the next big thing that's coming right now. It's great for anti-aging. It's great for skin brightening. It's great for removing lines. It's great for removing pigmentation. It does everything, but no redness to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just leave it on a minute. So normally during the facial, you need 10 minutes for this. So 10 minutes during your treatment as part of your brightening facial. So we put it on and leave it on just for a minute. Look how fresh her skin looks. It's so glowy. It's so much fresher. So what I'm going to finish with is hyaluronic acid. Have you heard of hyaluronic acid? Hyaluronic acid is like the most hydrating thing you can have in your skincare. So it's really, really important to be doing hyaluronic acid on yourself and on your clients. So to finish it off, I'm going to cool the skin and depuff the skin and help push this in. So this is another, you don't have to use everything. You can use one thing or you can use all of them, but they're all ways of making your facial treatment much more advanced. So I'm going to use this. This is lovely as like a relaxing treatment, but also to really hydrate the skin. This you leave in the fridge. It's the cold gel and it really calms down the skin. See, her skin is drinking up it's the hyaluronic acid is disappearing. This is because your skin's dehydrated. If your skin is dehydrated, you will get lines on your face quicker. Like that's just a fact. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a little bit more of this because she's absorbed it so quickly. I'm just going to put these here for 2 seconds. So this really, because of your blood capillaries like restricting, it really pushes the product into the skin. So it's really, really nice results. And you can see like her skin looks better even now without the makeup. It looks more glowy, more fresh. Okay. Now, obviously, if you were doing this in a facial, you would do this for a lot longer. You would do muscle stimulation, like the lifting, you would do for 10 minutes. Your LED, you would do for 10 minutes. But obviously, we don't have time. So that's just incorporating new technologies into more advanced facial treatments. Cool. Okay. Anyone have any questions? No? Everyone's quiet. Questions? No? Cool. Perfect. See, beautiful. If you do have questions, you can go to the stand just here. We're on the stand. You can come over and ask any questions, okay? I'll show you in the mirror. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.